Hi, I'm Daniel from HPOO, and in this video we will see how to use parallel loop in the OO Designer web-based editor. In order to exemplify that, we will try to ping multiple machines at the same time. Let's start by creating a new project with a folder structure inside and a new flow. Next, we'll add the ping operation on the flow canvas. On this step, we can provide the address input in order to ping the wanted machine. As primary output, for this operation I have the isUp variable, which is a boolean that mentions if machine is up or not, and message variable, which contains a string with the machine hostname and its state. But firstly, as I said, we want to do this in a parallel loop. To do so, we have to set the step as a parallel loop from the Create Loop button, choosing Set as Parallel Loop. Step will be marked with a branch icon as a sign that is a parallel loop step. This means that step will run over a collection of items simultaneously. How it works? For X in Y, the ping will occur. So we'll go through a collection of IPs and we'll ping each IP. That means that the in input will be our IPs collection. Let's define this collection by clicking on the edit button here. That will open the expression editor that will allow you to define the list in various formats. An array, a Python list, a map, or even a comma delimited string. For this example we will use an array. Remember that the collection list can be defined as expression as you saw, or also assigned from a variable which I will not cover here. Now that we covered the parallel related inputs, we still need to handle the operations input. In this case, we want to make sure that the address input gets the value of the IP variable defined above. We want to take the list of the machine states and send it in an email. For that, we have to aggregate the results from each branch and send them over email. Remember that the step had two outputs. As soon as it became parallel step, new outputs were generated out of the box from the branch context. For instance, the message list has an out-of-the-box expression that will use the branch context in order to aggregate all the branch messages. You can play with the branch context according to your needs to define custom outputs, like in these examples, but we will not cover that here. In the send email operation, we will use the message list variable. Let's save the flow, create a content pack, and deploy it in Central in order to see how the execution will look. In Central, when we go and run our flow, we will be able to see each branch in our execution with its own result. So some machines are up and others are down, as we can see. Also, we got an email with a list of the machines we ping and their states. This is how you can use parallel loop in OO Designer. Thank you for watching, and for more videos and guides you can follow our community.